Hey, sis. Miss me? I know. You don't have to say anything. I know you did. I know. I can feel it through the camera. Or iPad? Can't. We're not going to go there. But anyways, as you see by its... Oh, let's address it. Yes, this face, it's giving. It's giving everything you want. I know. It's giving you everything you want and more. And then some. No. What was that? Yes, I did film this look. If you want to know how I did this look, watch my previous video. But I'm sure you've already done that. Oh, I know. Because a lot of y'all be sitting here watching my videos and don't be subscribing or liking or commenting anything. I see you. Watching all my videos. I know. Anyways, but yeah, I did film this look. It's so pretty. It's obviously Valentine's Day inspired, but I'm sure by the time I get this up, it's after Valentine's Day. But the wig is giving. The look is obviously giving. I'm giving. I'm just so giving. You're welcome. Now that I've wasted all that time, Ulta. Now, I've had this stuff. Oh, yes, this is the receipt. I've had this stuff sitting in this bag since December 27th. I will give you a close-up of the date. It is right there. 12/27/20. Yes, this stuff has been sitting in this bag over there for almost 2 months now. Round of applause. I know, thank you. It's the least I can do. It's the fault in my stars. I honestly, the reason why I haven't filmed this haul is because I wasn't feeling YouTube. I just didn't feel like filming. To be honest, so it just kind of sat there. But anyways, enough of me rambling. Now, I have been dipping into this stuff. Like, I'm not gonna lie. It was sitting right there. It's like putting a cookie in front of a little kid. You know, they're going to want to eat it. So I have been dipping my hands in the bag and getting some things out and using some stuff. But anyway, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay. First up is some duo glue. This is the only eyelash glue that I use. I use it for obviously my eyelashes and my rhinestones. And I got another one of these Camo concealer sponges by e.l.f. This is like one of my favorite sponges to use. Like, y'all, you need a sponge. I don't actually wet this sponge. I don't wet my sponges. I've said that in the past, but I don't wet my sponges because when the sponge is wet, it just absorbs way too much foundation. So I just use them dry. And as we can see, she is what? Giving. Thank you. That's the word of the day. Giving. You're welcome. I'm like a teacher. Anyways, I absolutely love this sponge. I think this sponge is like $5 or $6, so really inexpensive. And if you can catch a sale on e.l.f., girl, get it. Moving on, another e.l.f. product. This is the e.l.f. Stardust Glitter Eyeliner in Pink Opal. Now, this is not going to give you like super high intensity glitter. It's more of like a very milky. Once I get it out the box, you'll be able to see like it doesn't give you like I don't know how to explain it. Like, there's glitter, but it's not super intense. Like, it's right there. Excuse the makeup, but yeah. You can see it right. Maybe, can you see it? Let me put a little bit more. So yeah, it's not super like intense glitter. When you use this, you're gonna need a couple layers. But it's really pretty. It has a duo shift to like a bluish green, orange, gold, and like a pink. So obviously you just think of an opal stone, and that's what this looks like. But yeah, it's still really pretty though. But you're just gonna need several layers of it. I did pick up some brushes. I picked up 2 of the Morphe M431 brushes. These are just pointed pencil type brushes. I absolutely love these, especially like for inner corner or on the bottom lash line. And then I picked up 2 of the M562s which are just mini, smaller blending brush. I don't know what, y'all see what it is. I got mush mouth because I haven't filmed in forever, so excuse that. I have been using this, which I absolutely love. This is the NYX Professional Makeup number 36 brush. So what it is, it's just a silicone applicator. So you have this side, which is smaller and more pointed, and then you have this side, which is bigger. I absolutely love these for pigments. Oh my gosh, it goes on like a dream. So if you have a cut crease, it can just slide and smooth on that pigment. Actually, this would have been perfect for this look, but I didn't use it. Anyways, but yeah, I really, really like one of these, especially if you don't want to get glitter or anything on your fingers. Perfect. And it cleans off really well. I mean, I need to clean it, but yeah. Moving on. I picked up quite a few glosses. I don't know why. I guess I was just in a glossy mood. But I have 4. So the first one is, I didn't even know Maybelline had these. These are Lifter Gloss. Huh? What? What is a lifter gloss? Hyaluronic acid. Well, I got hyaluronic acid in it. But yeah, I got hyaluronic acid in. This is in the color Pearl. So it's basically just a clear, sparkly. You're not going to be able to tell, but it has, like flecks of blue and pink glitter in it. But yeah, it's really pretty. I really like the packaging of this. It's really like thick and solid, but really, really nice. Like, you see that? Lifter. That's weird. Lifter. Alright, so next up is this Milani I sound real dumb, but ludicrous? Ludicrous? What does that say? Ludicrous? Ludicrous. Ludicrous. Anyways, it's in the color Luster Light. It's just a clear gold, has some flecks of blue and pink, and yeah, gold glitter in it. It's really pretty. Ooh. Okay, that's an interesting applicator. Ooh, she's thick, darling. Doesn't have a smell. I don't know why I would think it. Never mind. But yeah, ooh, it's pretty though. It's right there. But you're not gonna be able to see. But it's really pretty. Definitely has some pink and gold and green flecks in it. If I'm y'all, I'm telling you, I have not filmed in a long time, so I'm kind of like blip, 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 blip. So I'm sorry. So randomly saw a stand of this collection, the Black Widow with Marvel and Ulta. I didn't know they had a collection, but yeah, I got 2 of the lip glosses. So this one doesn't have the sticker on it, so I don't know how she rang this up. Oh, no. I took off the plastic and the sticker was on the plastic instead of actually on the tube. So this one is called Siberian Frost, and I've used both of these, and I really like these. So if they still have these at Ulta, definitely pick them up. Now they're squeegee tubes, but they have a wand applicator. And honestly, I just like squeeze some out and put it on my hand and then apply it. I don't drag it across. I don't use a doe foot to drag it across my lips because I don't want to mess up the color. But I really like this one. This one has gold and pink glitter in it. It's super pretty. I really, really like this one. And then this one is just brown. This is a brown gloss, but it's really pretty though. Does it have a smell? Doesn't have a smell, but that's it right there. Really recommend these 2. And that's it for lips. I'm moving on to this single pan of eyeshadow from NYX in the color Whipped Cream. I go through white eyeshadow rather quickly, so I saw this randomly on the NYX stand. You know, NYX has a huge stand at Ulta. I mean, it's like 50 feet long. But anyways, so yeah, I just figured I'd pick up one of these, and it was cheap too. I think it was like maybe $6 or something like that. I'm not too sure. Then picked up 2 lip liners. They're both from NYX. This one is in Downtown Beauty and Dark Brown. So Downtown Beauty and Dark Brown. So just 2 brown. lip liner. So next up is this Deep Banana Powder by Makeup Revolution. This is definitely a deep yellow honey color, which I actually really like. I thought it would be a little too deep for my skin tone because I was running out of my Ben Nye powder. And Ben Nye, the yellow, the banana powder is a lot lighter. It's a very, very pale yellow. And this is banana, banana deep. That's weird. Because they didn't have like a banana and then a banana deep. But sidetrack. But I actually really do like this. I've been using it for several of my looks and might have to repurchase. I like a lot. Sorry. Alright, so my last two products are from Urban Decay, and it's their heavy metal glitter eyeliners. This one is Pyro. So Pyro is a white iridescent glitter. Let me see if I can. Well, I wonder if it'll show up. So that's no, it's not gonna show up. So yeah, Pyro, and this one is Disco Daydream. So you can see how much more intense that is. But these two on your eyes are so pretty. But you do have to build them up because, I mean, Pyro is basically see-through, so you're definitely going to have to layer it. But these are really, really pretty. And that's it. I know that was really quick, but sis, I did some damage. I did, yeah, we're gonna lay that to rest. But that's it, sis. I know it's over. It was so short, but I told y'all I didn't have a lot. Well, actually, it was kind of a lot because for what I spent, yeah, it was a lot. But anyways, if I'm not on here, I'm on Instagram, so go over there and check me out and see what's going on over there because I post every single day. Yes, I know it's a lot. It's a lot, but you already know what you gotta do. It says like, comment, share. Subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you get a little ring-a-ding every time I upload. Duh. Anyways, drink your water, stay in the lane. Yeah, but no, stay in your lane. Black Lives Matter, wear a mask. Even if it's not mandated, please just wear a mask. That's the least that you can do for yourself and for others. Okay? Okay. And you better be taking those what? Vitamins. Oh, come on, chair. Don't ruin it for me. I really need to get a new chair. But anyway, ciao. Take your vitamins. Bye.